Clio Work has been a complete game changer for us. When we were making the decision about Clio Work, it was a big decision for us. What we've seen immediately is a return on investment from day one. From day one, it absolutely changed the way we were able to make money, but also be able to help more people to have better access for justice. We embraced it and said, look, we're going to give it to every one of our lawyers. Attorneys are going to be skeptical of anything new. Those same attorneys that had those concerns have already trusted Clio. When Clio Work comes along, it's not a third-party program. It's Clio. You already trust them.
I'll be thinking through what my arguments are, what are the strengths, what are the weaknesses, how can I shore those up? That not only guides my arguments, but it oftentimes will end up guiding what my advice to my clients looks like.
I use Clio Work every day. The most common function I use is to synthesize evidence, large volumes of evidence. It would take me hours, if not days, to manually scrub through all that data.
Starting as a student in law school, Clio was helpful for me to track my time. It was helpful to keep my cases organized. And then I was fortunate enough to come to a law firm that uses Clio. It's all I've ever known, and I can't imagine, practicing without it at this point.
Clio Work has given us a high level of trust in the legal research results that we're getting. When we're doing queries, it not only points us to a case, it will point us to the page, provide us with citations, and allow us to incorporate that into legal briefs, to legal memos, to opinion letters to our clients.
You are using your knowledge to use a tool in a smart and beneficial way. To not use AI is really inhibiting your potential to focus on the things that are important to you.
You still have to argue in court. You still have to be a person. You need the human emotion and experience of an attorney to know how to make those arguments and apply the law to the facts. What AI can do for us, and especially Clio Work, is simplify a lot of tasks that used to take a lot of time.
I'd say AI is the future, especially the time-saving mechanisms that Clio Work offers. It doesn't make sense not to incorporate it into our practices, especially in small towns like North Carolina. We're seeing clients who don't have the money for attorneys. Clio Work allows us to do that. It allows us to be efficient. It allows us to serve our clientele. I can't imagine the fear of AI standing in between that and serving the client.
I'm not worried about AI taking jobs. What I'm worried about is, are attorneys able to embrace what really is at their fingertips? Clio Work is at the cutting edge of where that is. Clio's done a great job of putting this at a position that is affordable for every kind of firm. It's usable for every kind of team member, and it's something that we can trust.